I wanted to show you guys something truly magnificent, that a little teeny tiny spider could create such a beautiful web. This is nature at its best. You have to touch it, you have to feel it, you have to be a part of it. You can't just sit behind a computer screen and wish your life away. Wow. A spider web. Look how perfect it is. A little teeny tiny spider in a hole in a garden that I created, planted, and to watch it grow is so amazing. Look, a little tiny spider web. Reminds me of the itsy bitsy spider. Or should we name it Charlotte? This is what life is about. Not about being behind the computer screen, but touching it, getting your hands dirty.